Are you looking to make a YouTube channel? Starting a channel is one of the best ways you can start making money as an affiliate because it costs nothing and you get access to a huge audience. Unfortunately, it can be a little confusing, so sit tight and I'll show you how to do it step by step.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is go to sign in. So we're going to click here and we are going to open a YouTube account. So we're going to go create account, type in our name here, and we're going to go to create an email address, and we're going to just type in an address right here. And we're going to put in our password and click next. Oh, the username is already selected, so we're just going to add a couple ones here. Go to next. Okay, we're not going to put in our phone number right now. I'm just going to put in date of birth and go gender, rather not say. Go next. And we're going to read the privacy terms of service. Go to agree. Okay, now we're back to the main channel. And we're going to go top right to our profile. And we're just going to click on that. And we're going to go to my channel. And this is how we get to our channel. So now it's going to ask us for a name. And we're going to change that to the name that we want our channel to be. And we're going to go to click. Okay, now we're going to customize our channel. So we're going to click customize channel. And here's the area where we can add our profile picture. So we're going to go to edit. And we're going to choose our profile picture and go to upload. And we're going to select a logo here. Let me see. Okay, here's a good one. I'm going to go open. That looks good. Go to done. And we're going to go shut this down and change our heading here. Go to channel art. And this is where we're going to change our YouTube channel header. So we're going to just go here, go to gallery, and save. So that looks pretty good. Next thing we're going to do is go to settings. And we're going to see what kind of settings that we want. We can change our privacy settings. Everything looks good, so I'm just going to go to save. Next thing we're going to go to about, and the about me page is where we change our channel description. So we're going to want to add something that's really signifies what our channel is all about. And because this is just a test, we're just going to add something silly here. Go to done. You can change your location. You can add an email. Now we're going to upload a video. And we're going to select a video here that we can upload for a test. And we're going to select the Hustle Life outro. And this is just going to upload. Should just take a couple seconds. And here you can add your description and add tags. So we're just going to add test video. And on the tag section, you want to add related keywords to what your video is all about. So here it's just about test video. And you don't want to spam this area. You just want to keep relevant keywords that you want for your video so people can discover it. So we're just going to add a couple here and go to publish. Happy with that. And we have our social media shares that we can share our video to. We're going to go to return editing. And down here is where we can select our video thumbnail, but we can't do a custom one yet because it's a new channel. And we can select private, unlisted, public, but we'll leave it as public for now and go to save. All right, so we're going to go to our channel again. And this is where we can verify our YouTube channel, which is very important. Go here to monetization. And there's a lot of things for new channels that we can't do. So we can't do custom URL, we can't do a custom thumbnail, can't do a longer video. And we have to verify our YouTube account first. And we can't monetize yet either because there's a new standard. And if you look over here, you can see that we need to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months plus 1,000 subscribers in order to have the monetization. And there's a couple more things that we need. So this is something new that YouTube just added. So I'll show you how to verify. Go to Super Chat, go to verify, and you can text or you can get a call and just add in your phone number there, but I'm not going to do that. It's pretty simple for you guys to figure that out on your own. So we're going to click back. And there's another cool thing I want to show you is the upload defaults. Now the upload defaults, you can add the default categories for each YouTube video that you add. So if there's like a link or some affiliate links that you want to add to each YouTube video, you can do that here. And so I'm just going to add my blog name. And if you're using a YouTube channel that's covering the same topics, you can just add in tags automatically. So they'll be auto-populated. You want to change your video language to whatever language that your channel is going to be in. We're going to go to save here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to analytics. And there's not much here now because no one's watched our videos yet, but there's a lot of cool things that you can see from there. Next thing we're going to do is go to branding. And here you can add your own watermark, which is what will show up in the bottom right-hand corner of your video. And under the advanced tab, we're just going to do our channel keywords. Once again, we'll just put in some random keywords here, but for you, you'll want to select things that are relevant to your YouTube channel. Go to save. And there you have it. You now have a brand new YouTube channel. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified of any new videos. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, check out my blog, hustlelife.net, and sign up for the free affiliate marketing bootcamp, where I'll be sharing exclusive tips and tricks that only members will get. This is Hustle Life, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. We all mine. Yeah. Come on.